Is it going still? Yeah, everybody. I don't know if it's live or not. I can't see. My phone's being a dick. I think it's live. I don't know. Can someone give me a thumb up if I'm live, please? My phone's playing up on me. Yeah, nice, nice. Do you know? Can you come in, please, dude? I'm gonna be doing this in my garden. I'm going to be using my famous trolley as a leaning platform again. I don't know where I've acquired these from, but you can't rotate your device while live, you fucking prick. I've got some weights. I'm going to be welding them together. For some reason it's telling me I can't turn my phone while I'm live. I can't turn it sideways. Can't turn while live. It's stupid. I'm trying to make a video and I can't even turn my fucking phone sideways. Do you know? Don't play with your ball, mate. There's gonna be some wires here in a minute. This big box what I stand Bertie on. Weird box. Look, I'm bringing everything out. Nice. I can stand there. Hello. I don't know who's watching, but big love to yous. Will it tell me who's live? Simon Musgrove and Matt Rhodes. Hello, big love everybody. Would you pass this out the window, please, baby? My babe's just passing the extension out the lead for me, which I'll grab now. Thank you, baby. So I don't fill the house with smoke while I'm welding. Thank you. Let me get Bertie out. Here's my little doggy. Here, bless him. No, not yet. He ain't heavy. It is Bertie. It's only about 35 keys. Probably 40 kilos. Not too heavy. Yeah. Oh, of course, on the door, my bad. Yeah, nice extension lead as well now. Berty-Weldon, everybody. Little Bertie. Here's my little homemade adaptation clip thing. I made it out of a bulldog clip. Let's move out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. I'll show you what I made that out of. I had yeah, I'm back. I had one of these. So I made the hole bigger using my big spanner and a hammer to tap it down the little spiky bit to make the hole bigger, and then I bent it round so I can clip on my earthing wire. Sorry, you know what I mean? That's my little dog chasing me about, bless him. Got a new earthing clamp. Just like my twin bro says, jump leads. Thanks, Willie. That little bad boy goes onto my little homemade clip. Perfect fit. Nice. And then grab that bit there. Clamp it to the trolley. Just there. Yeah, man. Plugging Bertie into his extension lead. Got all new fuses, plugs and everything, so it's all nice and sorted. Clamp it nice and grip onto that bit there. What a wicked grip. Nice. Mold grips was good, but that other clamp is better. That sweet baby, she's gone into the front room so she don't get blinded, bless her. Electrodes warming up under the grill. I've got two of them warming up. I'm going to use a spare helmet on one of them and just the glasses on the second one. I've got some more weights here. I don't know where I got all of these things. I just seem to have acquired them from somewhere. But I'm going to stick them together. So the doggies all right in the front room with my babe. They're warming up nicely there. I'll turn that right down now because you only need to go on the low one. Jins, go in the front room, Babs.
Yeah, come on.
Go in here, mate. In there. Good lad. Yeah. In fact, yeah. I'll do the one with the glasses first. So I can get to smoke a spliff at the same time. There's one I rolled earlier. I can't see a fucking thing. Is that lit? Yeah. No, I'm not going to grab them with a naked hand because them buggers will get hot. So I need my gloves. Gloves, everybody. Let's turn Bertie on at the wall. Yeah. Bertie's live outside. Let's get him humming away. Oh yeah. Humming away, bless him. He's happy. I might stick my gloves on the table a second while I'm fucking about. Shit, I need my gloves to get the electrode out of the fucking room. Sorry about this, everybody. Right, let's go and get an electrode then. Got one. Right, the type of electrodes I'm using, everybody, is an E6013 from Select Arc 51. I don't know if you can see that. That's the sort I'm using again. Man, these glasses are dark, I can't see a thing. Right, I'm going to try and balance my phone again. Hopefully. It stops being a dick. I'm going to go fucking sideways, fuck live. Can't turn while going live, oh come on. Dickhead. How am I going to do this? Shit, what can I wedge it on? I don't know where to stick you while I'm trying to tape it. I'll stick you on the table here. Sort of try and balance it with my case. Oh, this is a right fucking pain in the arse. Stop trying about. Stand up, damn it. Someone needs to make a phone case so it stands up long ways. Oh, that's a fucking pain, man. Fucking use a boulder to wedge it. Stop fucking falling over. Yeah. Right, can you see what I'm doing from that angle? Not really. I'll come over the top from this angle, so is that then? Don't let that bit touch the bottom of the toilet when you touch the top. That come keen, man. I can hear a little dog going nuts inside, bless him. Only putting one glove on. Just attach my electrode. Hello everybody, it's Michael, I'm live in my back garden, I'm about to do welding. Gotta go get a striker plate. And I'm back again. Oh, fuck off, man. Oh, it's a pain in the arse to wake that up, and I just caught the bloody table. Oh, come on. Stay. Random bit of metal to strike on. I don't think I can weld weights, I'm about to find out. The answer to the question, no, you can't weigh dumbbell weights. Ain't that a bit of a bitch? So I'm going to go in my house, get a couple of more random bits of scrap metal and stick them together instead. I'll be right back. So I'm back. I've got two random bits of scrap metal. I've got one that's a complete and absolute mess from what I was messing about with the other day. And that was just a random bit that I got when I was practicing, when I was on my training course, but I brought home with me, which I'm going to stick to that bit. Trying to get them to balance together, because the funny shapes look different shapes. Okay, I'll sort of stick them sort of like that sort of thing together. Why not? I will get a video in my back garden. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that went on like a butter, that. I think I got my settings right this time. Left-handed. Coming from the other way then. Now I'm going to go and get my other electrode out of the grill. Put my welding mask on and try it with that one. Spare helmet, everybody. I'll try again with them dumbbells. Move that there while it cools down a minute. I enjoyed that. It's the same type of electrode, everybody. The E6013 from Select Arc 51. I'm live again. Wow, this mask is dark. Just going to change my settings on this a second. Wow, that was dark, you know. Wow, so couldn't see. Again. And it sticks. Wow, that helmet's dark. Oh, killed it. Well, damn, that fucking warm, man. Berty-Weldon welding, everybody. Fucking awesome. Nice. Here's my little lines cooling down. I don't know if you can see it, everybody. The first one was along there, we stuck them together. It sort of stuck all over the place, but what can you do? And the second one I did was along there when it was all nice, and it actually came along nice. I just need to knock the slag off in a minute. There's my third one, and there's my second one, and that was with the second stick. So you got the line there, the line along there, that line there, and then this one there. Nice. 4 lines, everybody. And the best one is this one along the edge here. That one there. Nice. The heat coming off of that is awesome. Wicked. So yeah, well, preparation is the key. I'm just doing it in my garden for the fun of it. When I go to a site, I'm doing MIG welding. It's a completely different type of welding from this. I got this one just for the love of it. This is just to mess about in my garden so I can get the smell of flux. Right, yeah. That's not what I want to do for a living. This one's just a toy. Oh yeah. I'm better with a MIG and a mag. And when that's cooled down a little bit, I'll knock the slag off. I'll get my big spanner out and show you how shiny it is. I'll tap it off now. Slag hammer. Big giant. In fact, I'll turn my machine for a minute. It feels like it's going to rain. I just got hit in the face with a raindrop. Don't mess about, son. So Bertie's turned off now. It's gone nice and quiet. And I'll tap off some of this slag. Watch how shiny this goes. I'll move that out of the way so I can see myself. There you go. Look how nice and shiny that is. I've got a white brush as well. Still cooling down on that one. It will come off when it cools down. That second one's just been a pain in the arse, but look how nice and shiny that is. That's beautiful, that. That's like looking at a porno. Oh, yeah. All nice and shiny. All nice and shiny. Wicked. Well, I'm going to put Bertie away because it looks like it's going to rain. It's gone all grey all of a sudden. That's fucked up, man. Every time I get it out to play with Bertie, it starts fucking going grey and starts to rain. So I'll get at you soon with another video when I'll get something else I can stick together. Big love, everybody. Nice one.